I know this sounds terrible, but I maybe even avoid it a little bit just because of the history and the friendship there. It's the best way for you to get one sale, having to have 7 lunches, 4 phone conversations, a bunch of people cancel meetings on their friends all the time, right? People don't cancel meetings on the skillful, surgical sales professional that was like, what can I get you information on? I want to know about your sales coaching. Awesome, awesome. My people had told me you guys are in technical support recruiting. Can you walk me through a specific example of what you're doing? Yeah, we do it for real skillful, high-level technical support, blah, 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 blah. You know, that's awesome. Where are you at right now in terms of top-line revenue? We're pretty proud of ourselves. We did $2.4 million in 2023. What's the next big financial milestone you want to hit? $5 million. Right? Hey, what research have you done on us? Look at this call. I'm just giving you guys an actual call right now. We're a minute 45 into the call and we're all ready to what research have you done on us? Not a lot. Follow you on social media, saw an ad, clicked on it. Got it. Because of the fact that you said you're at 2.4 million, you've got 12 reps. What's most important to you guys is going out there and being able to sell your services to top-tier technology companies. What I believe the Easton University membership platform is perfect for you. You're going to get up to 25 seats. They're going to have access to the portal. That's got everything that they're going to need to know to help take the organization from 2.4 million to 5 million. Everything including prospecting, closing, follow-up, scheduling those meetings, which you said was key to you. Everything they're going to need to get to 5 million's in there. And then as long as the team membership is active, they're going to be able to join lives with me every Tuesday, Thursday. I'll be there with them every step of the way through any challenges. They can ask me any questions, and we'll do everything we can to get them to 5 million. Does it make sense to get your team on board? Yeah, congratulations, you made a great decision. I'll shoot over the link right now. And this may be somebody that's like, oh man, sorry I missed your last call. My knee was really hurt because I twisted it in jiu-jitsu. And I'm sitting there on the call going, wanting to so bad be like, oh my God, me too, right? I had 3 knee surgeries. I've been doing jiu-jitsu for 20 years. Not going to get the deal closed. But when we slow down and let the other person talk and then can insert things like, what research have you done on us? Where are you at now in terms of, like John, that would be a great one for you. The dealership, well, just out of curiosity, what'd you guys do last year, top line? Anybody, and I've had people push back and be like, well, people don't like talking about money. Bull junk. You're not coming off as a professional. When you come off as somebody that's, right, what can I get you information on? I wanted to know about your subprime lead generation. Got it. How many stores do you have right now? 4. Just out of curiosity, what'd you guys do top line revenue last year? Where do you want that to be? 11 million, we'd like it to be at 23 million according to our CEO. Awesome. What research have you done on us? I understand that you guys can get the inventory for people that had shopped other, CarMax or wherever and got rejected. We want access to those people because about 30% of the vehicles on our lot are perfect for somebody with a sub 600. Yeah, terrific. Absolutely. It's how the membership works. Does it make sense to get your store on board? Yeah. Congratulations, you made a great decision. I'll send over the link. What happens next? Once you click on that, we'll have a install team reach out to you. Welcome aboard. Excited to get you to that 11. I didn't write it down. That's why you got to write things down with your sword and shield. Where did they want to get to? 16 million? It doesn't matter. Stay focused on what can you get them information on. Where are they at right now? Where do they want to be? What research have you done on us? And then let them talk. Guys, you're going to start going like, holy cow. These deals used to take me months to close, and now they're closing in a single phone call, right? A one-call close is not taking somebody to lunch. Poor Harold. If you guys remember old Harold, right? All he wanted to do was take people to lunch and have lunches. This is a big reason, and I tried to tell him nicely 8 different times, why Harold's not hitting his numbers. Because Harold's trying to be nice to people. Harold's trying to talk football and flooring. Just talk flooring. Trust me, you're not here to make friends. You're here to be surgical. And then their friends are going to be like, well, why didn't you buy from me? I sell that stuff. You guys have heard this. You've experienced this. I see social media posts on this. I hate people. I'm like, especially when I find out somebody who's been my friend for 20 years bought something from my competitor. Yeah, ding-a-ling. You should have taken them off your prospecting list anyways, because they're your friends. Somebody else was trained by me and they came in skillfully, right? Just out of curiosity, what can I get you information on? We need marketing for our window tint business. Awesome. What research have you done on us? Right? How much are you selling right now? We did 800,000. Where do you want to get to? 300 grand, right? Then we'd have to hire some more technicians after that. Well, I'd love to get you to that point. I wrote down mission 300,000. What research have you done on us? Nothing. Just saw you guys on an ad campaign. Yeah, we work with a lot of window tint facilities. What we're going to do is, it's $2,500 a month. We're going to set up a pay-per-click campaign. That means you're going to have the ads on right there as people search locally for window tinting. We're also going to do some ads on Instagram and some ads on TikTok for you. Based on everything you're telling me, that $2,500 spend should be right in the wheelhouse to get you to that. And again, I should have wrote it down. Where do they want to get to? 800 grand. To get you to that 800 grand, does it make sense to start the program? Yeah. Congratulations, you made a great decision. Does it make sense to start the program? No. Got it. What's a good next step? Well, I don't know. Totally get it. What's a good next step for me? Well, I don't know. It's just a lot of money. I get it, but remember, we're going from 300 to 800,000 based on what you had told me and where you want to go. That's why I scoped it at the 2,500. We could do less spend, but you're going to get a lot less lift and not be at that 800 mark. I wanted to scope it accordingly to where you wanted to go. Does it make sense to do the 2,500? Yeah, let's just do it. And now they got a friend that's like, dude, I've been in advertising for 10 years. Why didn't you call me? Because even if they did, you guys would have talked about the football game that happened last night. We've got to slow down.